Hey folks, I've been getting a crash course on tax sales the past few days because there's one happening at the village of Cumberland this morning. It was supposed to happen yesterday morning, but there was only one bidder and they didn't have a certified check for the tax upset amount. So they're redoing it this morning. So I assume with all the chatter, there's going to be a bunch of people there bidding, thinking they're going to get a house for really cheap. I just want to start by saying, I promise you will not get a house for really cheap. There's never been a successful tax sale in BC because the owner has 1 year to redeem. The redemption process is that they have to pay the tax upset amount and the interest on the bid amount. So let's say this morning the bids come in and it ends up being $300,000. Well, if the owner pays the $13,700 of taxes and then whatever the interest is accumulated within the first month, it's not going to be that much. Let's say they wait the whole year, the 11th month, maybe that ends up being, I don't know, let's just say 10,000. So let's say now the price is 23,000. Either way, they're gonna be better off paying this than to lose their whole house. So after yesterday, this made me feel terrible. I actually went to the seller's place to say, hey, do you understand this process? Well, these people own this place outright. So for $13,600, they're gonna lose what could be an easy $500,000 value. Like you could put a price tag, let's just say $450,000. You put a for sale sign on any house in Cumberland for $450,000, it'll sell, sight unseen. So anyone who can feel good about getting this house, let's say the winning bid is 100 grand. If you can actually feel good about a whole year passing and someone's misfortune coming to a point where they can't come up with the $14,000 to get himself out of this mess, if you could feel good about that and that you then capitalize on getting a house for 100 grand, then you don't have my respect. And I'll tell you this, I promise you, you will not get the house. I will personally do anything I can to make sure that this homeowner comes up with the money, unless the price is somewhere in the fair. So somewhere in the realm of fairness, maybe that's, let's say 450 plus, because that's like getting into the, because she's going to get the proceeds. Okay. So let's say the bid price is 450. What's going to happen is that after a full year, if she can't redeem, now the payout will be that from that amount, from the $450,000, her taxes will be paid, interest will be paid, conveyancing will be paid, all the costs that accumulate throughout this year and associated with this deal will be taken into account, and then she will get the balance. So good thing is she will get money from that sale. So if it's within the reasonability of market value, then great, good on you. But if you think you're going to get a place for 100 grand this morning, you are incorrect. I personally will do everything I can to make sure of that. So there's your crash course on tax sales. And I mean, capitalizing on someone else's misfortune is never a way to get ahead. So, good luck to all.